right, so today we're going to be talking about the strobe lights and these new mounts that I just got from Firehouse Technologies. I use their strobe lights. I've tested different ones. These are the best ones I've found. These two are Arc 5 Pros. They actually come with a remote. Again, that's what I'm giving away for 1,000 subscribers here on the channel. And on top here, I've got the Firehouse Technologies Micro. And there'll be links to all this stuff in the description. So first off, we'll talk about the Micro here. Really small. I got this one to put on my mini drones, just kind of to have something different. These are, I believe these are all 1,000 lumens, and they qualify for nighttime flights under the FAA. They're visible over 3 statute miles, so really good visibility on these. What I got these for is to help with orientation at night, so you can see your drone and see the orientation. They're way brighter than the stock lights on the Air 3S here, so this helps. I've got these set to red strobe. We'll just turn them on real quick here. Yeah. And again, these Arc 5 Pro, they come with a remote control also. Now you can't change it when you're flying a quarter mile away. You have to be near the drone to change it. You just push the button and it changes the strobe pattern. This thing does multiple versions of red, blue, green, white, fast strobe, slow strobe, long flash strobe, a ridiculous amount of options there. But I've got these set to red. That way when I'm flying out and away, I can see those red strobes flashing far away. I don't know that the drone's facing away from me. And mainly just to see it. You can tell from the controller, if you're any good at flying these, that you know what direction you're facing, looking at the map and things like that. Next thing here are these mounts that I also got from Firehouse Technologies. They actually sent me these mounts to test and make a video about, so shout out to Firehouse Technologies for helping YouTubers get their channels going. And again, there'll be links to all this stuff in the description. Since we're here and it's on, gimbal cover. This is from BRD RC. I'll put a link to that in the description. Super easy on and off. Much easier than the stock one. I mean, it wasn't super hard, but this thing just slides right on, clicks on. Good to go. It's not coming off, full protection. So something else about these strobe lights, they come with a charging cable. They come with ways to attach it to the drone. They all come with 3M Velcro. I got the fuzzy part on the light and the scratchy part mounted to the drone. And this doesn't seem to interfere with my GPS, any of these. I've mounted them all on top, and it doesn't really mess with anything with the drone, and doesn't fly any different or anything like that. These are the downward facing mounts here. They make forward facing, rear facing for the rear and the front. All different sorts of mounts there. They're pretty inexpensive too. These lights aren't very expensive either, so good way to keep your visibility high. And you know, something like this is mandatory if you're flying at night. So these are really good lights to check out. They're plastic housings. I've seen some that are just look some LED nodes, and it looks like they're just in shrink wrap. No, this is quality. I actually crashed a drone with one of these on it, and the light was fine and it never came off of the Velcro. So something to keep in mind. Definitely a quality product, made in America here. It's not Temu stuff or stuff like that. It's a quality place, located in Ohio. So there you have it, guys. Nice drone strobe light set we've got here. Nice mounts. Again, high quality stuff. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the links in the comments here if you, or I'm sorry, in the description. And you can check these out for yourselves. Also, don't forget about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway where you can win one of these drone lights. And also, get in the comments, let me know if you got any other video ideas, things you'd like to see me make videos about with the Air 3S, things like that, RC2, Osmo Action cameras from DJI, and or the Mic 2 that I'm using right now. It's really windy out. I'm hoping this audio is good. I don't see why it wouldn't be. These mics are really awesome too. So again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.